Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to change IB in Exness. First, open the Exness app or website and log in. For safety, we're using a demo account here. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, scroll down, and select the live chat option. Request to change your partner IB code. You can type a message similar to the example I'm showing. The support agent may ask you to verify your email, phone number, or last login details. Provide the requested information and wait for confirmation. If your account has no trading history, your IB can be changed in just a few minutes. If you already have trading activity, changing it might not be possible. Next, you'll be directed to the partner change page. Enter the reason for the change and the new partner's link. You don't need to fill out where you found your partner or any comments. Click Submit, get your verification code, and wait for the update. And that's it. Your IB is now changed. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.